Oh, okay.
Please repeat. Umunat to. Sabay-sabayan. Baka titin na mata tipisin eh. Ha? Baka titin na mata. Ito gunggunada.
Ah. Neophyte dapat lang niya. Oh, Neophytes, ready kayon? Oh, ready kayon? Okay, rugi tayong iti o taking nyo. I Nagan, member of the Confederation of Ilocano Association, Incorporated, known as Samahang Ilocano, imbued with a deep sense of responsibility, firm in the belief that a disciplined, professional, youth, work, organization is essential to an international, democratic, based government and the establishment of international development foundation, guided by the spirit of brotherhood, mutual help, cooperation, do hereby swear to uphold and defend the Constitution of the Confederation, uncompromisingly dedicate myself to its objectives and support the duly constituted government of the Republic of the Philippines. So help me God. Woo! Palakpakan tayo, bagis!
Ulit! May isang about mo nun!
Oo, may sabi! Sakto!
Hoy, baka ako pati sasama ito pa ako.
Ano si Marco? Marco!
Yun! Nice! Thank you, bagis! Yun, no? Ay! Agar ka.